Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing. This is really special. This is an axolotl from PC. That is Paul Cafaro. He has a channel. Uh-oh, fell off. And he has these plushes that he offers on his channel. And he also is live on Palm Street, and he does giveaways. I won this little guy. How fun is that? A big shout out to Paul Cafaro. And what is Gio's channel name? Lonnie's Lizards.
Lonnie's
right?
Lizards, yep.
Yep. And what is Brendan's channel?
Fanatic.
Thank you, all three. I really appreciate it. Paul, this is so cute. I really thank you a bunch. And then we have a few other things. Let's see what I got. I know what this is. I'm going to go ahead and open it, but I'm not going to put it on a doll until Thursday night, which is tomorrow night, because we're filming this early.
So you'll actually see it Thursday night.
Oh, I'll have to save. You know what? We'll save it till after. All right, let's pull it out.
Next Thursday.
Yeah. The following Thursday after we showed this video. How's that? I went to the eBay again, and I put this in my watch list. And I put this in my watch on eBay, and she made me an offer. And I accepted immediately because I thought that would be beautiful on Sly Fox, my little Indian doll, my American Indian doll, I should say. All right. Oh, look, she sent me hair ties or hair clips again. Well, that was nice. Okay, now this other one is something I used to have and don't know where they are anymore, and thought I should get them on the shelf. And that is some books. Let's see what I did get. Darren and I know Carnival Talk, and the reason we know Carnival Talk is because in the 1960s, when I was growing up in grade school, my neighbor and good friend Gail had two beautiful blonde-haired, tiny little sisters. They were all about 4 foot nothing, 4 foot 9 and 10-ish, I think they were, cute as a button. And they were young teenagers when we were in grade school. And so they would go to the carnival, and the carnival boys would flirt with them, and so they learned Carnival Talk. So Darren and I learned it from them and then taught it to Darren. Darren and I also used to do American Indian Sign Language. We haven't done this in so long.
Ages.
We have both forgotten. I know how to tell you to look at somebody's tattoo.
Yeah.
When you're in the store, there's actually a tattoo, look at the tattoo sign language, which is really fun because, you know, I like the art. And if I want Darren to see it, I can't yell, hey, look at her tattoo. And I got some natural remedies. You know me, I'm a natural girl. I do not like chemicals or... What the heck is that? That doesn't look natural. That is disgusting. I don't even want to guess what that is. Okay, well, I'm going to get that off. Maybe they were mixing spices and herbs.
A little
and
vinegar
such.
on there, huh?
A little something, yeah. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Go by and see Paul Cafaro, Lonnie's Lizards, and Fanatic. They are young men. They're really fun. They have, they fish. They have aquarium fish. They have animals. They have, you know what's cool about them? The coolest thing about them is they are young men acting like young men. And they work really hard at their YouTube channels. And I think Paul has 3 channels. And they make it look easy, and it's always a fun video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.